thank you for watching. Here is a Walmart beauty unboxing video. You can sign up to the subscription. They're only $5 and they usually come every season. So this is for the fall season. So once you subscribe, you will get an email before the box comes out, just verifying your address and then asking you if you still want to get the box or not, and then that gives you a chance to cancel if you want to. So this came in a couple of days ago, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is the website that you can go to actually subscribe, so beautybox.walmart.com. So we have So these look to be a shampoo and a styling gel. So this is with avocado oil. We have a water gel mask. So this is a leave-on mask. We have some Hello toothpaste. So this is the active charcoal toothpaste. So this is a small trial size. We have some Biore charcoal. This is some cleansing micellar water. And we have this lip patch. So I guess you put this on your lips. You keep it on there for 10 to 15 minutes. And it's going to smooth and moisture and pump your lips. We have a small Nivea sample, so I guess they've got a new lotion, an aloe vera lotion, so this is a small sample. A small sample of the Kleenex wet wipes, so just one wipe. We have a small sample of some Pantene foaming conditioner. This is a Maybelline liquid eyeliner. And then we've got some brochures. So this is just a brochure about the new Maybelline eyeliner. Here we have about the Nivea. We always get the cocoa butter, that's our favorite. I'm interested to try this aloe vera one. And then, yeah. And the last brochures. So this is the Hello toothpaste, and then another brochure on the Pantene, and that's about it. So we have a few brochures here. We have a face mask, wipes, shampoo, styling gel, conditioner, lotion, toothpaste, some cleansing micellar water, a lip patch, and some eyeliner. So not bad for $5. So if you do want to subscribe to the Beauty Box, just go to beautybox.walmart.com. So it's a $5 subscription and you usually get a box every 3 months, I believe. So yeah, here is just a quick Walmart beauty unboxing video. Thank you for joining me.